First, though, the PNP is suggesting that the project is being used to secure votes for an upcoming by-election. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has more in this report.
A meeting has been scheduled for Tuesday morning at 9 with the political ombudsman and representatives of the People's National Party to discuss concerns the party has about the recent announcement of a $626 million road rehabilitation program in St. Mary. The party has also written to the Contractor General.
Both have acknowledged. In fact, we have a meeting with the political ombudsman at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning to discuss matters related to Southeast St. Mary. The Contractor General acknowledged and responded to the request to have some oversight over the works that are proposed in the constituency.
Mr. Robinson says while the party does not have a problem with well-needed road repairs in St. Mary, the timing of the announcement is no coincidence, given that a by-election in the parish is imminent. He outlined two concerns the party has.
We have noticed the announcement of the road work for the Junction Main Road. Now, the Junction Main Road is desperately in need of repairs. And in fact, Winston Green, in his tenure in the last year, had begun some repairs and had continued making representation to the government for the road to be repaired. So we don't have an issue with the road being repaired. The road needs to be repaired. We have an issue with two things. One, there needs to be an assurance that there's value for money in the work that is done. And secondly, that the work is managed in a way which is fair and transparent. And so that you don't have public funds being used corruptly, as was done in the debushing project prior to the local government election, to influence the outcome of a by-election.
He says the government is yet to respond to findings contained in the Contractor General's report about the November 2016 debushing program, which he insisted was carried out in a corrupt manner.
Quite frankly, in other democracies, some of those people wouldn't have jobs today. The OCG said that cabinet ministers were mendacious in their representations to him. It means them tell lie. That's an indictment on a cabinet. And so obviously as an opposition, we would be concerned going into a by-election to hear another $626 million program being announced.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.